Do you want to know some family members vocabulary? Come with me, I'll teach you. Hi everyone, this is Clara Miguel. Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to the Viewer TV. The first word is family. Family. So if you want to know how to say family in Portuguese, we say família, 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 família. Alright. If you want to know how to say father, father. Father in Portuguese is pai, pai, pai. Mother in Portuguese is mãe, mãe, mãe. Son, filho, filho, filho. Daughter, filha, filha, filha. Siblings, irmãos, irmãos, irmãos. Brother, irmão, irmão, irmão. Sister, irmã, irmã, irmã. Siblings is a plural, isn't it? It's a plural of brother and sister. So we say irmãos. Irmãos is a plural. So irmão is singular, which is brother. Irmã is also singular, which is sister. Okay, did you get it? The next translation is aunt, tia, tia, tia. Uncle, tio, tio, tio. Cousin. If it's a female, in Portuguese we say prima, prima. If it's a male, in Portuguese we say primo, primo, primo. Nephew, sobrinho, sobrinho, sobrinho. Niece, we say sobrinha, sobrinha, sobrinha. Granddad or grandfather, avô, 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 avô. Grandmother, avô, avô, avô. It's quite the same. Husband, marido, 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 marido. Wife, mulher, 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 mulher. Thank you so much for watching this video. Now we know family members vocabulary in Portuguese. Are you happy? I hope you are. So if you're happy with this video, please thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe to the channel. Alright, thank you so much. Bye.